This scripture covers every season that I can go through as a family man, as a husband and wife team, as a family. This scripture is telling me that it is highly possible that sometime in my marriage, sometime in my life as a father, sometime in my life as a husband, sometime in your life as a wife, you are going to have to deal with a time to cry and a time to laugh, a time to tear down and a time to build, right? A time to keep and a time to throw away. You're going to have to deal with a time of war, and then you're going to have times of peace. So with that in mind, own every season together as a couple. You got to learn to own every season together as a couple, because if you only want to own the victories and move in unity when you're victorious, the moment you have a season of war, at that point you begin to pull away from your spouse and blame them. If you have a season of loss, right, you're going to pull away from your spouse and you're going to point the finger at them and say, you know what, this season that we're in, you're responsible for this. Fix it. You're an idiot. You're a clown. You made a poor decision. You're so stupid. You're so dumb. And I don't care who you are. I have friends that are holding PhDs, but because their spouse does not understand the power of unity, they feel stupid. Or when we're in a season where we suffer loss, it's very important for us to own that together. Honey, I know right now we're down. I know right now we're in debt. I know right now we seem like our finances are upside down. I know right now that our son is acting up and he got us on the court steps. I know right now that he's following the wrong company, or whatever the situation is that you're facing. But honey, you know what? This does not define us. This is a season, right? This is a season, and now let's go before God and let's get his wisdom on how we're going to fight together to come up out of this season. Because you see, guys, if we don't learn to operate that way, we're always going to look and feel worse than we really are as a family.